Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can generate a Google Recaptcha for your website and how we can generate a Recaptcha site key and site secret. This Recaptcha is used to protect our website from spam, abuse, and different type of frauds. So basically, if we generate Google Recaptcha and add this to our website, we will be more secure. So I will show you only how we can generate a Recaptcha site key and a site secret. The next part will be that developer have to set up those site keys and secret into their code to secure company website. So for generating Google Recaptcha, you have to go to this URL google.com slash recaptcha recaptcha. Once you are in Google Recaptcha, you can go to V3 admin console. In an admin console, we can name our this reCAPTCHA in the label field. So let's add my website as a name. Okay. In the label field, you can also enter any name if you want. So this is like not compulsory to add a website here. So we can add any name here, right? I am adding website for my understanding. So reCAPTCHA type, if you want to see the details here, to select a type, you can see this and you can go to site types for more details. Here our development team requirement is challenge V2, verify request with a challenge. So I am selecting this option challenge V2 and I'm not a robot checkbox. Okay, fine. Now here we have to add our domain, our website domain that we need to secure about fraud, spams. Okay, let's go ahead and submit. Okay, here you go. Here I have got the site key and a secret key. We can copy both the site key and secret key to add to our code. Now, if you want to go back and see that we have added CAPTCHA and is it showing the account or no. So let's go there, admin site, and if you can see here, it's showing now you have one site. The site or the CAPTCHA I have added just now. Here we can find out how many websites in the drop-down menu, how many websites we have added CAPTCHA for. Okay, now you can give this information to the developer, the site key and the site secret, add them to website contact form. Right now we have already created CAPTCHA and we can give these details to a developer. So let me tell you the last thing. If you wanna change any setting of this reCAPTCHA or if you wanna delete this CAPTCHA, we can go to settings and here we have the delete button. So let's delete it just to confirm if it was, yeah. Now this happens permanently deleted my reCAPTCHA and asking me to register a new site. So that's all about today's video. Thank you. Bye.